Hallelujah. I'm so happy. Sometimes I used to thank my might gods. Who carry me where I'm coming from until I reach today here. My name is Kativa. My testimony is very long, but I will make it short.
Please try by all means to make it short because of time.
Yes. I'm coming from Marinda. I'm working between Marinda and Kidmans at the road construction. I know Mr. Asel, the man of God, from Okahandja.
Please go straight to the point because of time.
Yeah. Just one quick check. So I met him in Okahandja. So I was having a problem with my wife. She was not like receiving kids. But when I reached in his church, he was praying for me, and he prayed with my wife, and he gave me that anointing oil. So the English you must not hear me because we are not that much in school. But in the willing of God, that's why I'm speaking. So as I'm talking now, my wife is having kids. Because of the man of God, Pastor Asel. I think last month, I was also having a problem with my wife again. She was pregnant and she was having a problem. So that was a big problem. And I called the man of God, help me pray for my wife. And he told me that there's nothing is going to happen. So they went to, how do you call it, operation. So as I'm talking now, I'm having twins. So then I called him back again. Then he told me, I want to see you in Windhoek. That's why I traveled yesterday, and then I arrived. I think I arrived yesterday. That's why I'm here. So I want him to break all the chains that lock me. Whatever things that destroy my life, I want today, it must be end. And I believe it, that God is going to do it. So every time when you believe in God, and you pray for God, there's nothing. Sometimes I'm very happy. So sometimes Me, I like praying sometimes. So I don't want to take too much time. So I only giving. It's my first time to meet a lot of people like this.